Well, I'm back in one of the areas that I've shot quite a bit of footage from. I'm on the bridge over the 375, and you can see that a lot of the construction equipment is back on the ground. You see the crew of guys is out there putting the shovels and forks on the tips of the equipment. Right down here in front of me, I can get them. The security guard inside the field. We got one truck or one bulldozer that's on the move. He's headed over towards the stadium. And right here, by the way, is this side of the stadium. You can see that whole side has been just completely torn off, and we've even got wooden 4x8s down at the bottom there, making a sort of a makeshift wall for the time being. But I would say it's not going to take very long before the majority of what you're seeing is on the ground. Well, I'm going to let that do for today. Again, this is June the 9th, 2009. I'll probably make another trip down here during the week just to see how much progress has been made. I'd like to remind you once again, my name is Roscoe Herring. Please go out and buy a copy of my book, the title of which is Life is a Strange Feeling. Goodbye.